Hello guys, this is Desh Tech and Gaming YouTube channel and we would like to wish you a happy new year. We have some exciting news about the killer phones and this topic is about the ASUS ROG Phone 3. As we know, the ASUS ROG II phone was a massive success due to its specifications and features, but most importantly, the price was high. The follow-up to the ROG Phone 2 is the ROG Phone 3. Powered by the Beast 855 Plus, the phone comes with a 6.6 120Hz AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 1080p. The device offers 8GB of RAM and 26GB of internal memory. It is rumored that it will be launched with Android 10. The smartphone comes with a 48 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel setup on the rear and a 24 megapixel selfie camera. The battery has been upgraded to 6100 mAh battery cell and it comes with dual Type-C ports, one on the bottom and one for charging. And thankfully the phone still has a 3.5mm jack. The price expected is 5299, which makes it the base variant is 53,000. The phone is scheduled to be launched in June 2020. Let's talk about some of the specifications of the ROG Phone 3. It comes with a 120Hz display with Gorilla Glass 6. The display is one of the highlights of the of the ROG Phone 3. The stunning 6.6 AMOLED display has a 240Hz touch display and a refresh rate of 120Hz. And for protection, ASUS has given it with Gorilla Glass 6 against the scratches. The screen pixel density is of 391 and the resolution is 1080p and it is HDR10 certified. ASUS continues its tradition of avoiding any notches or punch holes for the front camera and keeps the front camera on the top bezel. It is expected that it would be launched with the 855 Plus processor and triple camera and ROG UI. But it might be possible that they might introduce the new Snapdragon 865 which has improved performance of 20% over the 855 Plus. Driving all this gaming awesomeness, the ASUS ROG Phone 3's Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with an Adreno graphics of 640 handling all graphics. The phone is packed with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. And this is the base variant, I think so, and it might be running on the ROG UI, but the lightweight custom ROM is by Android. As for the cameras, you get a triple camera setup on the back and you have a 48 megapixel primary camera and 13 megapixel wide angle, and as well as an 8 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the phone offers a stunning 24 megapixel front camera. This phone has been packed up with a 6100 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging. The battery capacity has been improved and the phone now will have a 6100 battery capacity with 30 watt fast charging. It includes Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi support. You now get aptX HD for audio and dual amplifiers. Let's talk about some of the specifications. Now let's go into the detailed specifications actually. It has face detection. The battery type is lithium. It is also 4G, obviously it will be 4G, and the CPU has a 2.96 GHz single core Cairo 485 plus 2.42 GHz tri-core Cairo 485 plus 1.8 GHz quad core. The graphics, as we know, is Adreno 640. I think so it will be handling all types of games in the near future, and let's see, can it actually handle all games at ultra graphics. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we wish you a happy new year.